Hello. Hi. So we had to fire out the cameraman. Actually, he's still the same cameraman. We just had to teach him some brutal lessons, but we now got feedback, and now our videos are horizontal. So for today's nature video, we got some grass, dead and alive, just like the world. We got some trees. Some of the natives over there, and barrel. So this place has been somewhat domesticated. As you see, there's whatever the hell that stuff is. I don't know what that is, but I'm assuming that this is like some bed. As you can see, like that's where the pillow would go. This is where the blanket. Not a very good bed. Now over here, we have a tree, and I don't know what kind of tree this is. It looks very dead. It's a really dead tree, and I don't know what this is, but it's really tall. Okay, so there's that, and this is one thing to tell us that there was once people who lived here, still are if you look over there, but there's people who lived here at some point. Grubb and Ellis must have been like a couple or something. Anyway, moving on to the tree back over here. Trees. And the trees, I think they're pine trees because I smell pine. They're pine trees. And, ooh, dandelion. It's right over here. Look how pretty. Anyway, moving on. We're gonna go ahead and we see the natives over here. You guys don't know. Here's our stone. We go over here. This native, what does she like? I think she likes.
Yep. I think I like sacrifice.
You heard it here first, folks. Okay, so moving on, we have these trees. They're small, but they're trees nonetheless. Trees. We have some trunks right over here where the natives usually sit in kumbaya. I think that's the phrase. And then you have some running water. And I know our videos are called nature videos because this is part of this place is starting to industrialize. And it looks like they're doing so a little bit fast. See, they got electricity too. I don't know how. Anyway, moving on, we see that there's more stone tables all the way over there. And there's a big field of just dandelions. Just dandelions, as far as I can see. Not that far, but we'll get to that. And we're going to go over here. Come on. Have two trees, not one, not three, but two trees growing in the same space. And I think that's fantastic. Cause like, I think it's like a symbol for like how two things can coexist at one thing. Like whenever you see like a movie about like clones, I don't know why they can't just coexist. Anyway, so what that's gonna do for this nature video, and I hope you liked it. Oh shit, there's actually three trees. There's three trees growing in the same place. Hello.